car insurance do I need? If you own a car, you are going to need to show financial responsibility, meaning you can pay if you or someone else driving your car cause an accident. Every state has some form of financial responsibility law, and most drivers satisfy this requirement by buying car insurance. It's typically the easiest and most affordable way. If you don't want car insurance, your state might require you to post a bond that can run upwards of $50,000 to show financial responsibility. Once you have ruled out the idea of forking over tens of thousands of dollars to your state, the next logical question is, how much car insurance do I need? How much car insurance do you really need? At the very least, you must buy your state's minimum car insurance requirements, but state minimum are woefully inadequate and do not provide any coverage for your own car's repair bills. If you want better coverage, you are going to need to buy more than the minimum requirements. There are several coverage types to choose from. With a basic knowledge of the main type of car insurance, you can put together a good policy that fits your specific insurance need. Coverage: liability car insurance. Okay, state minimum. Good. 1 lakh dollar per person for bodily injury liability. 3 lakh thousand per accident for bodily injury liability. 1 lakh dollar for property damage. Even better, 2 lakh 50,000 per person for bodily injury liability. 5 lakh dollar per accident for bodily injury liability. 2 lakh $50,000 for property damage. Uninsured motorist coverage. State minimum: 1 lakh dollar per person for bodily injury liability. 2 lakh 50,000 per person for bodily injury liability. Per 3 lakh dollar per accident for bodily injury liability. Per 5 lakh dollar per accident for bodily injury liability. Personal injury protection (PIP) statement: 40 lakh dollars state minimum. Collision coverage not required. Recommended comprehensive coverage not required. Recommended. Liability insurance. Liability car insurance pay other for injuries or property damage. When you cause a car accident, it also covers your legal defense if you are sued because of an accident. Here are a few examples of what liability insurance covers. You rear and another car at a traffic light and cause damage. You crash into your neighbor's fence. You are at fault for a car accident and the other driver is injured. Liability car insurance is required in every state except New Hampshire, Virginia. You will be required to carry a minimum amount. For example, in California, you need to have at least 1 lakh 50,000 $15,000 for bodily injury to one person, $30,000 for bodily injury to multiple people in a single car accident, and $5,000 for property damage. But here is the problem: these amounts are insufficient if you cause a serious car accident. If you total someone else's car, $500 of property damage would not get you very far, and if you are at fault for a car accident with multiple injuries, medical expenses can quickly exceed to $30,000. You will be on the hook for any amount above the coverage limit. How much liability insurance should I buy? A good rule of thumb is to buy enough liability insurance to cover what you should lose in a lawsuit against you after a car accident. For example, in California, a policy with 250 by 500 by 100 would be a much better choice than the state minimum. For extra liability insurance above your base auto and home insurance policies, look into getting a umbrella insurance policy for a relatively inexpensive amount. You can buy an extra $1 million or more in liability coverage through an umbrella policy. Uninsured motorist insurance. Uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist insurance pay for your medical bills if someone crashes into you and they do not have liability insurance, or not enough uninsured motorist coverage is required in some state and optional in other. In states where is optional, you can typically reject the coverage in written. In uninsured motorist your state, this is a good coverage to have. Coverage pays for medical expenses for you and your passengers, lost wages if you can't work because of injuries suffered in a car accident, funeral expenses, pain and suffering, car damage depending on your state. How much uninsured motorist coverage should I buy? You will typically use to purchase in amounts that match your liability insurance. For example, if you have 250 over 500 over 1, you will need to buy some amount of coverage. Collision and comprehensive insurance. If you want coverage for car repair bills, you need collision and comprehensive insurance, often sold together. They cover a range of problems like car accidents, car theft, vandalism, collision with animals, falling objects, fires, floods, and hail damage. If you have a car loan or lease, your lender or leasing company will most likely require you to carry both of them. How much collision and comprehensive insurance should I buy? Both coverage type will cover the cost to replace your car if it is damaged by a problem covered by the policy. If you want to cut down on costs, select a higher deductible amount, which is the most you will pay out of pocket if you file an insurance claim. For example, $1,000 deductible will result in slightly cheaper premiums compared to a $500 deductible.